what's up, y'all? Jeff here with Off Leash Canine Training in Roller Coast. Here today with me, I have Sage. Sage is a 11-month-old black lab. She's here for a 2-week board and train. Sage does have some obedience, but overall, she is the typical black lab crazy puppy. So we have a lot of jumping up, a lot of nipping, just a lot of puppy behaviors going on. Okay, let's go ahead and see what she knows. Sage, come. Good girl, mama. Good. Sit. Good. Sit. Down. Whoa. Sit. Down. What are you doing? Okay. Sage, come. Place. Oh, this good. Place. Almost. Sage, come. Sage, come. Good. Heel. Heel. Come on. Oh, heel. Come. Come. All right, well, that's where Sage is at. Check back in 2 weeks and see where we get.